explorers, we all know lakes are bodies of water, but did you know some lakes are super strange and amazing? Let's see some of the world's most unusual lakes. So let's go. First, let's visit Lake Helia in Australia. It's pink like bubble gum. Scientists think tiny living things give it this amazing color. Next, let's go to Lake Kendi in Kazakhstan. It has trees growing right out of it. A long time ago, an earthquake created a landslide that created this lake, and now it's like an underwater forest. Now let's travel to Laguna, Colorado in Bolivia. It is bright red. Tiny plants and animals give it its amazing color, and it's home to pink flamingos. And if you want to know more about flamingos, then check my video about flamingos in the description below. Now let's start. Have you ever heard of the Dead Sea? It's not really dead, but it's super salty. So salty that you can float really easily, like you're lying on a giant waterbed. Let's swim in Jellyfish Lake in Palau. It's full of jellyfish, but they don't sting. It's like swimming in a giant castle of gentle jellies. Now let's visit Boiling Lake. This lake is so hot, it's like a giant pot of soup. It's heated by a volcano nearby. Pink lakes, lakes with trees, red lakes, super salty lakes, lakes with non-stinging jellyfish, and boiling lakes. Our world is an amazing place, an unusual place, even when it comes to lakes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel with others. Remember to be amazed by our world. Bye bye.